Founded in 1979, LabPro Inc. has been a trusted name in the laboratory supply industry for over 4 decades. As a leading distributor of lab supplies, chemicals, PPE, cleanroom products, microscopes, wipes, and more, we are proud to serve commercial businesses, research labs, and government organizations across the globe. With distribution centers in Sunnyvale and Los Angeles, LabPro is strategically positioned to meet the needs of laboratories and businesses worldwide, including clients in the USA, Asia, and Mexico. Our vendor-managed inventory VMI program ensures that your lab is always stocked with essential supplies tailored to your specific needs. And with demo rooms available at both of our California locations, you can experience our products firsthand. Over the years, LabPro has partnered with some of the world's leading companies and organizations, delivering high-quality products that support cutting-edge research and innovation. Climate Census, with over 250 5-star Google reviews, our customers trust us to provide the highest level of service and the best products available. From laboratory essentials to advanced cleanroom solutions, we are dedicated to improving lives through innovation. At LabPro, we're proud to provide over 100,000 lab supplies and equipment, 45,000 chemicals, 10,000 PPE items, and 5,000 microscope accessories. From cameras and lighting to tweezers and cutters, whatever your lab needs, we've got the solutions. As a proud member of the International Laboratory Distributors Association, ILDA, and recognized as one of Inc.'s 5,000's fastest-growing companies, LabPro continues to lead with excellence in service and innovation. For over 45 years, LabPro has been a trusted leader in cleanroom supplies, lab supplies, Excel to hand tools, ESD solutions, and vendor-managed inventory in California. We are committed to providing the tools and expertise that drive innovation in laboratories. Visit us online or stop by one of our demo rooms to see how we can support your lab success.